Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's video. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate your time for stopping by to see our video. But do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel is going to help us with YouTube algorithm. And as you know, that every week we compensate you. Okay, we just randomly select a winner for different giveaway. For instance, today, at the end of today's video, we're going to be randomly select someone that will win $50 cash gift. I hope that will be you. So it doesn't matter where you are, either you are in Africa, United States, India, or Australia, you are going to be getting that $50 equivalent. So I hope you stick around to the end of today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be looking into how to make money in Forex trading fast. How to do that? How do you do that? So that's what we're going to be looking into. But let me give you 5 seconds. Subscribe to this video right now, like this video, and then make sure you share this video with your friends on social media. So now for next week, the winner is going to be winning a VIP version of Tradermatic, VIP version of Tradermatic. So if you like this video, you leave your comment below, you share this video. Next week Monday, we are going to randomly select a winner of Tradermatic, that is VIP version. The value is $497, but you're not going to be paying a dime. Okay, so let me give you 5 seconds to do that, and we'll dive into today's video in a second.
Good morning. My name is Peter Awodo Atutu. I really thank our leader, our mentor, my boss, Forex Apostle, for giving me the privilege, the opportunity to be the lucky winner of last week's video. I so much appreciate. Thank you. God bless you.
All right, so welcome back. So as you know that there are different ways to skin a rat. There are different ways you can learn Forex, and you know that how to make money in Forex is first of all for you to know what you are doing. And as a Forex Apostle, I organize different training, free trainings, like a lesson like this on videos. You can go online and watch a different video tutorials from different people, and of course many people could get it right, but I tell you what, over 99% of people that do that never actually get it. Why? Because you watch video from different sources, you watch the video from different YouTubers or different coach or different traders, so you don't really have a specific strategy that you can adopt, that you can use. And of course, you also know that every professional in any field at all as a coach, as a mentor. And that is why we do our coaching and mentoring program. We call it 6 months coaching and mentoring program, but it's not really 6 months because you could stay longer than that. But now calling it 6 months does not really mean that, okay, you have to wait till 6 months before you start trading. It depends on you. I don't know how hungry you are. I don't know how disciplined you are. But if you can follow simple instruction, within 2 to 3 months, you should start seeing some profits trading Forex. Now, you, as I said, you can watch free videos, lessons, and hopefully you will get it. Some will read books upon books upon books. But think about it for a second. It's like somebody really wants to learn how to swim, and the person goes to the go online to buy how to swim book. You cannot master how to swim with that, because you are just reading how to swim, but you need to get to the river. You need to get to the pool in order to swim. And you cannot just get to the pool by yourself. You need somebody also that will, be your coach. You need somebody that will guide you. And that is Forex. Forex is a pool. Forex is a jungle. Forex is a river. If you don't know how to swim, you can get drowned. And that is why over 97% of Forex traders or Forex traders wannabe lose money. Why? Because people try to just, do it their own way. People try to just figure it out their own way. So this video is all about how to make money in Forex trading fast. How to make money in Forex trading fast. And I'm going to be, telling you about my story. Hopefully you have known my story, but in case you are watching this video for the very first time, I got introduced to Forex 2006 and I was so excited. I was so excited about it. I was working in a bank then, back home in Nigeria, and all my savings, I quickly, wired it to FX Choice. And by the way, if you are watching this video and you are looking for a very good and reliable Forex brokers, I believe FX Choice could be that particular broker. So there will be a link below this video. Check them out. Right now, they are not accepting US residents, but if you are a non-US resident, FX Choice is on top of my list. I use almost about 8 different brokers, but FX Choice is still my top, highly recommended broker. Okay, anyway, so I wired the money to them. Then there was nothing like all this fast way. There was no Bitcoin anyway. So, and I didn't know what I was doing. I just placed a trade. Boom. Before you know it, that first account, I burnt it. I thought, okay, maybe something must be wrong. I didn't get the strategy right. Oh, the broker must be behind it. And I borrowed money again. I funded another account. I burnt it. I burnt the 3rd account, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. So I burnt 6 accounts within 6 months. Okay, I'm talking about 2006. That was when it dawned on me that, okay, I needed to get it right. Initially I attended a seminar, about 3-5 hour seminar right then, paid heavily for that particular seminar. But then what to get in just 3 to 5 days, 3 to 5 hours at seminar is not enough for you to succeed in Forex. Forex is a continuous learning. Forex is a continuous learning. I know it looks somehow and I know it sounds somehow. Okay, how do I make money in Forex fast? Yes, how to make money in Forex fast is for you to actually do what I did after I burnt my 6 accounts. So what did I do? I hired myself a private coach, and a mentor, okay, that went through it with me, crash program for 2 intensive weeks then. And after that 2 weeks, I'm telling you, the story never remained the same. That was the best business decision I've ever made when it comes to Forex trading. So how do you make money fast in Forex? Number 1 is to invest in yourself. And for instance, the Forex Apostle mentoring program, we do free coaching program. We also, have this 6-month coaching and mentoring program whereby once you sign up, you get access to the members area, whereby you go through lessons once per week. Okay, you have lessons scheduled, as you can see, for 26 weeks. That's why we call it 6 months coaching and mentoring program. So after the first week, you wait for another 7 days for week 2 to open. And at the end of each week, there will be an assignment. And of course, I meet with my students once a week for Q&A session. You join our private WhatsApp group, and you are able to relate with other students, and you can ask me questions anytime. But then that will take you longer out. So you are looking into 6 months down the road if you follow through the weekly lessons as scheduled. But then some of you maybe, okay, you just say, you know what, I want to get this fast. I don't really have all this time. So some people take maybe like 1 month vacation off or your annual leave from work, and you really want to use that period to learn Forex. So the best option I would recommend is the one-on-one coaching and mentoring program. Yes, it's more expensive, but then what are you able to do within this 1 week intensive program? 1 week intensive program, you come to Dallas, I host you in Dallas, we meet 2 hours every day, 2 hours every day for 5 days. That is 10 hours of intensive coaching and mentoring with you. And within that 10 hours, within that 5 days, we are able to look into your personality, into your lifestyle, and we come up with a plan for you, not generalized strategy, not generalized plan, but we come up with a plan for you that will work for you. And that is what we do. You sit by my side, and let's assume you are an international student and possibly you cannot fly. Of course, you don't want to fly down to Dallas or to US. We can also meet virtually, 2 hours every day for 5 days, and that really fast track, that jumpstart your success. I know you bypass so many learning curves. We look into all the strategies and look into, okay, what do you do for a living, and we'll be able to come up with a plan that will work solely, customized plan for you. I mean, that is the best way to learn. That is the best way to trade Forex. And just in case you are watching this video and you are wondering, okay, so how do I qualify? Number one, I don't take many students for that in a month. I only take one person, one candidate for my immersion program, the one-on-one immersion program in a month, because of my busy schedule. So there will be a link below this video. All you have to do is click on that link. It's going to take you to where you schedule a time to speak with me. Two of us will meet like this on Zoom, and I would like to get to know you and see if it works for you. So once you schedule your time, I block out that 1 week on my calendar, and it's just you and I, and that is how to do it. That is how to take it from what you are doing right now to the next level and begin to kill it in Forex. And by the way, I'm going to be hosting a special training this Saturday on Forex, and it's going to be, the venue is going to be right on this YouTube channel. You don't want to miss it. You're going to be spending about 2 to 3 hours with me this Saturday. By the way, if you are watching this video also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and remember, the winner next week is going to be winning VIP version of Tradermatic. And today, I mean very, very soon now, we are going to be picking the winner for the $50 cash gift for today. So if you left a comment on our last 2 video, you shared it, today you might be lucky to win $50 cash gift. So we're going to be doing that in a second. So I hope you are able to get something valuable from today's video. If you've done that, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, and then in a second, let's pick the winner for our $50 cash gift. All right, so let's pick a winner. This was a video created last week, so I'm going to copy the link right now. I will go to our selector. This is our selector. I'm going to be pasting the link, and I will filter out the duplicate. Let's get all the comments, the unique comments. We had 13 comments. So out of these 13 comments, one person is going to win. One person is going to win $50 cash gift. And I don't know who you are, so let's see. Drum roll. Let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner. Wow. Chinedu Akado, Chinedu, you just won yourself $50 cash gift. Congratulations, Chinedu. Wow. Chinedu is actually, I believe, is one of my VIP students. He won VIP also. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so excited for you. Congratulations, Chinedu. So get in touch with me and get your $50. Congratulations, my man. Congratulations. So for you to participate to win any of this giveaway that we do every week, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, and just show us some love, okay? Leave your comment, and if you have any topic you want me to cover, also leave it at the comment below, and I will attend to it. God bless you. I'll see you in our next video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.